How to remove suggested on Messenger. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up Messenger. Now tap on the three lines and click on Settings. Now scroll down. Now tap on Account Center. Now click on Your Information. Now tap on Upload Contacts. Now select your Messenger. Now tap on Manage Contacts. Now tap on Delete All Contacts. Now go back. Now tap on Upload Contacts. Now make sure to turn off this toggle. Now go back to your home screen, keep holding the messenger icon and tap on app info. Now click on force stop, go to storage usage and tap on clear data. Now tap on delete and restart the application. Now this should remove the suggested on messenger. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.